Hello student, myself Shraddha Kapadtiwar teaching in LP Savani Vidya Bhavan. Today we will start 5th standard first lesson, the fish tale. The deep under the sea, see the lovely colored fish swimming peacefully. This special poem in 3 lines is called a haiku. Such poem about a nature are popular in Japan. Here is another haiku. The lake calm, smooth, still, a fish jump up and return. Ripple the shake the lake. Now these 3 lines poem are specially known as haiku, which is very popular in Japan, and which these poems are specially related towards nature. Now there are few questions. Do you know any poems about fish? And when you think of fishes, what shape comes to in your mind? And try to use a square and a triangle to draw a fish. Let us see what is the answer of these questions. So what was our first question? Do you know any poem about fish? So yes, fish versus human. This one is the poem name. If you want to write the poem, you write also. And the second question is, when you think of fishes, what shapes comes to in your mind? In my mind, such type of images is there. Now, third question, try to use a square and a triangle to draw a fish. Now, there is a square and a triangle. With the help of triangle and square, I have drawn a fish. Look for fish design around you on cloth, in paintings, on mats. Now you have to search any designs of fish on your cloth, in painting, on mat. Min means a fish and Minakshi is a girl whose eyes look like a fish. Can you think of someone who has such eyes? Min means a fish and Minakshi is a girl whose eyes same look like a fish. And such type of question, that means can you think of someone who has such eyes? You have to write this such type of question in yes as well as in no. Now there is another question. Draw a face with fish eye. Now imagine the face and draw a fish eyes. Fishes can have very different size. The smallest fish is about 1 centimeter long. How long is the biggest fish? Can you imagine? Now listen here. Here already given the smallest fish is about 1 centimeter long. यानी छोटी वाली fish जो होती है वो कितनी लंबाई की होती है? तो 1 centimeter long. And the question is, how long is the biggest fish? Can you imagine? So in this page there is already given that the whale shark was long as 18 meter long. So how many times longer is your big fish than a smallest fish? Now there is a question. Let us see. So there is one question. How many you have seen the sea? So I have seen the sea and many of my friends have also seen the sea. I have seen the sea at Dwarika during a trip. I have also seen the sea in movies, and the sea should be at least 1000 feet deep. Now there is another question. Do you know how to swim? So yes, I know how to swim, and yes, high waves are scared. Such type of questions that you have to write in the answer yes as well as in no. And the another question is, close your eyes and imagine the sea with waves rising high. Yes, so high sea waves looks really very beautifully. And how high do you think the sea waves can go? यानी जो लहरें हैं वो कितनी दूर तक जा सकती है? So I think sea waves are goes 50 meter long. The biggest fish shark is a whale shark. It is actually not a whale, but is a big fish. Whales are different from fish. Whales breathe like we do through their noses, but the fish have no noses and they take in water, not air. Whale gives a birth to babies, but fish lay eggs. The whale shark is fish looks big and dangerous, but It's quite harmless. It does not attack humans. Now in this paragraph, here given how whales are differ from fish. Here whale breathe like we do, that is by nose, and fish have no noses, they breathe in water. Whale gives birth to babies and fish lay eggs. One whale shark was as long as 18 meter as we already discussed. Just think how long that is. Almost 12 children of your size standing one on top of the other, and guess what is weight? Well, much more than what 12 of you together weight. Its weight was about 16,000 kg. Now think about if your size children, how many children? 12 children. If they are standing upon each other, that how much length is there? यानी आपके जैसे 12 बच्चे एक दूसरे के ऊपर अगर खड़े रहे तो उतनी लंबाई होगी क्या? जस्ट वी हैव टू थिंक. और आपके जैसे 12 बच्चों का अगर वेट गिना जाए तो उसका वेट ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कितना होगा? बट व्हेल का वेट है 16,000 kg. नाउ लेट अस सी these questions. What about how many kilograms do you weight? आपका वज़न कितना होगा? That means your weight you have to write here. Now next question is, so 12 children like you put together will weight about dash kg, and about how much more does the whale shark weigh than 12 children like you put together? These three questions, let us see how we will start. Now there is one first question about how many kilograms do you weight. So I will take here 25 kg, but instead of 25 you will take whatever you know, that is if your weight is 19 then 19, 16, 20 as you wish. Now second question is 12 children like you put together will weight about, so I have already taken 25 kg. So according to weight of one child is 25 kg. So weight of 12 children is 12 multiplied by 25. Already multiplication is given there. So 12 multiplied 25 is a 300 kg. Now third question is difference about how much more. How much more is there? So we will take here difference in weight. So difference in weight of shark and the weight of 12 children. As our previous discussion, weight of shark is 16,000 kg and the weight of 12 children is 300. If we subtract over here, the answer is 15,700. Now the another topic is the fish tail. To see the difference between the whales and fish, look carefully at their tails. Can you see that the fish tail stand flat along its body, but the tail of the whale is almost look like a two leg? Can you spot the fish in the picture? You have to spot fish tail and a whale tail. Have you seen the whale tail is look like a leg? Now schools of fish. Fish like you to swim together in a sea in a big group called a schools. So the group of fish is known as a schools. In their school, they feel safe from the bigger fish. Do you feel safe in your school? Yes, definitely. You feel very safe in your school, as well as these fish also feel safe from the bigger fish. Now to scare away the big fish, some small fish drink up a lot of water, swell up and look big. These small fishes, ये जो छोटी फिश होती है जो बड़े फिश को डराने के लिए, स्मॉल फिश ड्रिंक अप लॉट ऑफ वाटर. ये जो छोटी छोटी मछलियाँ हैं बहुत सारा पानी पेट में भर लेती है also, एंड स्वेल अप यानी फूल जाती है. बड़े बड़े दिखने के लिए वो क्या करती है? फूल जाती है. Now Jinsi used these shapes to make a drawing of fish. Now you also use some shape to draw the different sea animals shown below. With the help of these shapes, Jinsi draw fish, and you have to also draw some sea animals. Now there are some sea animals. Have you seen over here? Now which of these sea animal have you seen before? If you seen before, then you have to write. Now next topic is fishermen in their boat. How many of you have seen the sea? Where did you see it? Did you see it in a movie or for real? How deep do you think the sea could be? Find out. In first question there are small 4 questions are there. Now there is a second question. Do you know how to swim? Would you be scared of the high sea waves? And on another page number 6 there are again 2 questions. Close your eyes and imagine the sea with waves rising high, and how high do you think the waves can go? Such 4 questions having answer is here that we will discuss. Now the first question is, how long is the biggest fish? Can you imagine? So I can imagine a fish is about 18 meter long. That means whale shark is as long as 18 meter. And second is, how many times longer is your big fish than the smaller fish? Here already given that smallest fish is about 1 centimeter long and the longest fish is about 18 meter long. But here centimeter and meter both the different units. So first we have to convert meter into centimeter. What we know, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now we have to convert 18 meter into centimeter. So 18 multiplied by 100 centimeter. So answer is 1800 centimeter is the longest. Whenever you ask the question how many times, at that time you have to multiply. Imagine that there are fishermen in their boats going up and down with the waves. They start their trip when it is still dark. Some go on a simple boat made from logs of wood tied together. If the sea is rough with very high tides and a strong wind, then these fishermen have a very difficult time. Such type of boats are known as a log boat. Now these log boats do not go very far. If the winds is helpful, they travel about 4 km in 1 hour. That means we have already given these log boat can travel 4 km in 1 hour. Now according to this conversion, we have to solve these 2 questions. First question is, how long will they take to go a distance of 10 km? That means kilometer is given and we have to find time. And second question is, guess how far you can go in 1 hour if you walk fast. अगर आप बहुत जल्दी जल्दी चलोगे तो इन 1 hour में, तो 1 hour में आप कितने किलोमीटर यानी कितना डिस्टेंस कवर कर सकते हो. So let us start this solution. Now the first question is, in 1 hour the boat travel 4 km. So in this question, in 1 hour 4 km is given and we have to find out 10 km distance. So we already know 1 hour is equal to 4 km. If we double this, so 2 hours, that means 1 is given and we have to find out many. At that time we will multiply. So 4 का डबल कितना हो जाएगा 8. So 2 multiplied by 4 km is 8 km. Now 8 km is known and what we want 2 km. 2 km कैसे मिलेगा? 1 hour is equal to 4 km. If we half the 4 km, if we half 4 kilometer, then again the hour is also half. So 1 by 2 hour is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 kilometers. So 4 divided by 2, that means 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. There is already on left hand side there is a division is already given. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2 kilometer. So 8 kilometer travel in 2 hour and 2 kilometer travel in half hour. It means 8 kilometer plus 2 kilometer, that means 2 hour and half hour. That means in 2.5 hours the boat will travel in 10 kilometer. And the second question is, guess how far you can go in 1 hour if you walk fast. If I think I can walk fast 4 to 5 kilometer, इफ़ वॉक फास्ट यानी मैं अगर जल्दी जल्दी चलूँगा तो 4 to 5 किलोमीटर इतना किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर कर सकते हैं. अगेन आई से सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस दैट यू हैव टू राइट योर ओन इन योर ओन आंसर.